Brooke Goebel here with Purdue Extension in Pike County. Today I am going to be doing a food demonstration. If you are like me and eat when you're bored and have a very strong sweet tooth, being stuck at home has not been your friend. I have found this great recipe for these Monster Cookie energy balls that not only do they look delicious, but they taste delicious. And it's also something that the kids can make with you and they will enjoy as well. So let's get started.
So like I said, I am going to be showing you a Monster Cookie Energy Ball. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats. You're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use crunchy or creamy, whatever your preference is. Today I have creamy. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of mini M&Ms, and then a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. First, you're going to mix all the ingredients together into a bowl. Once you have all the ingredients in your bowl, you're going to mix them together. You can either use like a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula, or you can use your hands. I'm going to start off with a wooden spoon. If you do use your hands and your hands are getting super sticky, you can put Pam spray or vegetable oil on them, on your hands, and that should help with the stickiness. Alright, and when it's all mixed, it should look like this. So now I am going to put them into about 1-inch balls. We'll roll them into. Once you have them rolled out, you're going to put them into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So I just took them out of the refrigerator. They've been in there for 30 minutes and they have hardened to where you actually can pick them up pretty well. So I'm going to taste one. They're so good and they really hit my sweet tooth. So I'm really excited to make these and actually have them at home for me to eat and not a lot of unhealthy things. So when you are storing them, make sure they do go into a sealed container and put them in the fridge so that they will stay hardened and into balls. Try them out and let me know